everyone, we're team ECE 16.5 and our project is smart metering for rural villages, sponsored by Kilowatts for Humanity. I'm Emily.
I'm Eli.
I'm Yin.
I'm Alex.
And we're the Watch
Crunchers. KWH is a non-profit organization started by two Seattle U faculty members, Dr. Henry Louie and Steve Savio. KWH sends its volunteers to developing countries to set up energy kiosks. At these energy kiosks, community members can charge these portable battery kits so that they can bring energy to their households. KWH now wants to directly distribute power to these households. Because of this, they request our team to create a smart meter.
So the benefits of having a smart metering system is so that KWH and even customers will be able to know the amount of energy they are consuming. There are smart meters that are being made. However, US uses a significant amount more than people in rural villages. So we have designed a smart metering system that accommodates for their needs. Our meters are considered smart is that it has texting capabilities and also sends information to a server, which can be seen on a dashboard. What we have done is designed a smart metering system that requires having a generation station and also customer meters. These customer meters will communicate with the generation station, and the generation station will be able to allow the texting capabilities and also send information to the dashboard.
And now we're going to take a look at what's inside the enclosure. Our smart metering system. We have the high voltage coming into this line, going into a terminal block, which then goes for a circuit breaker, which catches any faults. And we can reset it outside of our enclosure, so we do not have to open the enclosure. And it also hit the relay, which would disconnect and reconnect the load. And we have this converter here, which converts high voltage to 12 volts to power the Arduino, the GPR shield, and the RS-45 communication, which communicates with other meters. And we also have a meter which will measure voltage and current and send the frequency to Arduino to read the energy consumption.
So the generation station meter here communicates with these other two customer meters here through something called RS-45 communication. Now RS-45 communication is an electrical standard that defines the parameters for communication running over two wires like this. And that can be run to as many microcontrollers as we want. These wires here that run from each microcontroller box to the other. Inside each of these boxes there is a little component here that the yellow and green wires plug into. This is a component that enables the microcontrollers to communicate with the RS-45 bus by using standard serial connection.
Most of our high voltage testing was done in this touch safe enclosure where we have our PCB that can be seen in here now. We're using this lab volt for our high voltage, and now I'm going to demonstrate how knowing that our PCBs work. Is in the range that we would want.
So what makes our smart metering system smart is that you can control it through your cell phone via SMS messaging. So for example, if our microgrid operator wants to figure out the usage of someone's power, they can send a text message on their phone, and our smart metering system will send a message back to the phone with the power usage data. So now I will demonstrate sending a text message from my smartphone to the Arduino microcontroller through the GPRS shield. As you can see, I have a message ready to send. I'll send it right now. It's after a short delay after I can see it's showing up on the screen here. This is coming from our Arduino microcontroller, and these are the codes sent by the GPR shield. As you can see, the message here, hello world, is showing up on the screen right there. So turn the lights on and off with our system. So here, I'm sending the message of 1 off to our system here. Turn off. I can also turn it back on by sending the message 1 on. So the message is sent.
Yay. Not only will our system have texting capabilities, but it also sends the information to a dashboard. This dashboard can see the energy consumption of each customer, and this allows people to see the real-time data.
so that was our smart metering system, and I went through how it all works, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Oh!